Hey, Mark Morris, talking to you about what you can do to keep yourself more, how do you make yourself more valuable? You gotta learn how to market, you gotta learn how to sell, you gotta learn how to negotiate. Those are the skills you gotta learn in the age of AI. One thing you don't need, if you can't pay off your car, don't buy your car. If you can't pay off your car, do not buy your car. If I see you with a fancy car at Target, I'm like, what's up with you, man? Could you at least go to Vons? You got your fancy car at Audi's? That lets me know you're stretching. I know what you guys said, what some of you guys said. I can, let's see if we can make this payment, honey. Okay, well, you know what we can do? You get gas at Shell, get gas at Oracle. We can shop at Rancho Market. We can shop at Audi's. Cut back on that, cut back on this. Hey, then we can afford the car. Till the repair comes. You know what that happens. So subscribe. Just teaching you, hey, Mike, watch your money right now, man. Stock market is down almost 400. Stock market is down almost 400 points. That means like my retirement is going down. Subscribe. And I'm gonna worry about the president trying to pardon his son, doing all kind of stuff to stay in office. The only reason they want to stay in office is they don't want you to know how bad things are. But one thing about numbers, whether they're in your favor or against you, they always come out. Subscribe. That's what I'm telling you guys. Put your money away right now. You don't need to be going on any trips. You don't need to be buying no dogs like my neighbor. She's living with 3 roommates, got a dog. You can't afford the damn rent for yourself. And you gonna get a dog? People just do the most bizarre stuff. So subscribe. I don't want that to be you, man. We're gonna have some dark days coming. And you're gonna need that extra $20, $30, $40. That could be the difference between $10,000, $15,000 profit, because you may be able to buy something for cheap and you'll be ready to take advantage of it. So subscribe. That's what I'm telling you right now. Go to my channel, watch how I teach you how to build your business. While you're building your business, making these videos, what you're also doing is you're learning how to talk. You're learning how to market yourself. You're learning how to look at yourself. Hey, what are some things I do better? What are some things I do wrong? Like I learned from Grant Cardone, when you head into these recession times, when it comes to your health, you don't want to cut back. You want to step it up, man. This is the time, okay? Keep my hair neat, get my teeth clean, watch my health, make sure I have some nice outfits. That's what's going to separate you, man. It's you're like a razor thin edge with all this technology. Even with AI, there's different forms of AI. You're going to have the cheap AI, and you're going to have the AI that you can make money on that's really high level and you get the best results. Nothing changes, and that AI is not going to change. Basically, look at AI. You have a good AI worker, bad AI worker. Most important thing you got to learn to do in the age of AI, invest in yourself, build your own brand. That's what's going to separate you. I'm an engineer, 25 years, but hey, I'd have to learn how to market because all this AI stuff is going to replace the knowledge up here, but it can't replace me. Hey, can I sell a project? Can I convince a client to do more? Could I bring back a client? All of that stuff is what's going to set you apart going forward. So subscribe. Let me know what you think, man. And for some of you guys still taking those engineering tests, registered nurse tests, you're all thinking about quitting, don't do it. I went 5 years until I finally passed my exam. So that's part of the AI test, and that's going to be part of your story. People pay you thousands and millions of dollars. Man, you kept taking a test after 5 years? Man, I quit after 2 years. I quit after 2 months. I quit after failing it twice. And how many tests did you end up taking in 5 years? 10? Wait, the test was 2 times a year? So it took 10 times I took the 8-hour test. 10 times I took the 10 times I took the seismic, 10 times I took the survey. Subscribe. But then I passed it, and now that's the story I can tell to you. Because all I learned from that is everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses, but you have to separate that out and find what's unique to you. I'll talk about that later.